Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your phone, and seeing affiliate commissions coming in while you were asleep. Not $1 or $2, but real money, consistently. Now imagine knowing that most of this work wasn't done by you, but by smart AI tools working quietly in the background. If you've ever tried affiliate marketing and felt overwhelmed, confused, or frustrated because results were slow, or if you're brand new and wondering how people are suddenly scaling so fast, this video might completely change the way you see online income. Because the truth is, affiliate marketing didn't get harder, it got smarter. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI tools are helping everyday people boost their affiliate income faster than ever before, even if they don't have big audiences, advanced tech skills, or hours to waste every day. Before we go any further, if you're serious about building online income and you enjoy learning simple, practical strategies that actually work in today's AI-powered world, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Really helps the channel grow. And it tells YouTube to show you more content like this from AI Side Hustle, where we focus on realistic ways to earn smarter, not harder. Alright, now let's get into it. A few years ago, affiliate marketing looked very different. You had to write long blog posts from scratch, manually research keywords, design graphics, test headlines, create email sequences, and analyze data by yourself. It was time-consuming, exhausting, and honestly, a lot of people quit before they ever saw results. But today, AI has quietly stepped in and changed everything. What used to take days can now take minutes. What used to require a team can now be done by one person with the right tools. And what used to feel confusing can now be simplified into clear, repeatable systems. Think about this for a second. Affiliate marketing is really about three things: getting attention, building trust, and recommending the right product at the right moment. AI tools are now helping with all three. They help you understand what people want, create content that speaks directly to those needs, and optimize everything so your chances of earning commissions increase dramatically. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Let's start with the biggest struggle most affiliate marketers face, and that's coming up with content ideas that actually convert. A lot of people waste time creating content that nobody searches for or nobody buys from. AI changes this completely. Today, AI-powered research tools can analyze massive amounts of data from search engines, social media platforms, and marketplaces to tell you exactly what people are looking for right now, not last year, not last month, right now. This means instead of guessing what to promote, you're making decisions based on real demand. Imagine typing a simple prompt into an AI tool and getting dozens of high-intent content ideas tailored to affiliate products, ideas for blog posts, YouTube videos, TikToks, emails, even Instagram captions. And not just random ideas, but ideas that are aligned with buyer intent. This alone can save you weeks of trial and error and dramatically increase your chances of success. Once you know what to create, the next challenge is actually creating it. This is where a lot of people get stuck, especially if English isn't their first language or if writing feels intimidating. AI writing tools have completely transformed this part of the process. You can now generate high-quality, conversational, human-sounding content in minutes. Blog posts that feel helpful and natural. Video scripts that sound like a real person talking to a friend. Email sequences that build trust instead of sounding spammy. But here's the key thing most people get wrong. AI is not about copying and pasting mindlessly. The real power comes when you use AI as a smart assistant. You guide it, you refine it, you add your perspective. When done correctly, your content doesn't feel robotic. It feels clear, confident, and valuable. This is exactly the approach we talk about here on AI's Side Hustle, because sustainable affiliate income is built on trust, not shortcuts. Now let's talk about visuals, because visuals matter more than ever. Whether you're doing YouTube, blogs, Pinterest, or social media, eye-catching visuals can be the difference between someone clicking your link or scrolling past. AI design tools now allow you to create professional-looking thumbnails, images, and graphics without any design experience. You can generate custom images that match your brand, your message, and your audience's emotions. Fear, curiosity, excitement, hope. These tools help you tap into all of that visually, which directly impacts your click-through rates. And speaking of click-through rates, let's talk about headlines and hooks. B. This is one of the most underrated skills in affiliate marketing. You can have the best product in the world, but if your headline doesn't grab attention, nobody will ever see it. AI tools can now test and generate multiple headline variations based on proven psychological triggers. Curiosity, urgency, benefit-driven language. You can test what works without guessing. Over time, this alone can double or even triple your traffic. Traffic, of course, is the next big piece of the puzzle. AI is now being used to optimize content for search engines in ways that were previously very technical. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze top-ranking pages, identify patterns, and suggest exactly how to structure your content so it has a higher chance of ranking. This includes keyword placement, content length, topic coverage, and even tone. For affiliate marketers, this means more organic traffic without relying entirely on paid ads. But maybe you're not focused on blogs or SEO. Maybe you're more interested in social media or short-form content. AI tools shine here too. They can help you repurpose one piece of content into many formats. A YouTube video can become short clips, captions, tweets, and emails automatically. This means you stay consistent across platforms without burning out. Consistency builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. Trust leads to clicks, and clicks lead to commissions. Another powerful area where AI is boosting affiliate income is email marketing. Email is still one of the highest converting channels, but many people struggle with what to write or how often to send emails. AI can help you create personalized email sequences based on subscriber behavior. This means different people receive different messages depending on what they clicked, what they watched, or what they bought. Personalized emails feel more relevant, and relevant emails convert better. Now, let's talk about data, because data can feel overwhelming. Most affiliate platforms provide dashboards full of numbers that many people don't fully understand. AI analytics tools can now interpret this data for you. They can tell you which links are performing best, which content is converting, and where people are dropping off. Instead of guessing what to fix, you get clear insights and actionable recommendations. This allows you to focus your energy on what's already working and scale it faster. One of the most exciting uses of AI in affiliate marketing is predictive analysis. This means AI can help you anticipate trends before they explode. Imagine promoting a product or topic just as interest is starting to rise, not after it's already saturated. This early mover advantage can make a massive difference in your earnings. It's like having a crystal ball powered by data instead of luck. Let's also address something important, and that's time. Many people watching this have jobs, families, responsibilities, and limited hours. AI doesn't just help you make more money, it helps you buy back your time. Tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. This allows you to focus on strategy, creativity, and growth instead of repetitive work. Over time, this is what turns a side hustle into something scalable. At this point, you might be thinking this all sounds great, but does it actually work for regular people? And the answer is yes, if you approach it the right way. D. The people seeing results are not necessarily the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who are willing to adapt. They treat AI as a partner, not a replacement for effort. They test, learn, adjust, and stay consistent. One mistake to avoid is trying to use every tool at once. That often leads to overwhelm. The smarter approach is to start with one area, maybe content creation, or research, or email. Master one workflow, then slowly expand. This builds confidence and momentum. Momentum is incredibly powerful in affiliate marketing because success compounds over time. Another important point is ethics and transparency. Long-term affiliate income is built on honesty. AI can help you communicate better, but you still need to recommend products you believe in. Audiences are smart. They can sense authenticity. When you genuinely help people solve problems, commissions become a natural byproduct, not the main focus. This is why here on AI Side Hustle, we emphasize systems over hype. AI tools are not magic buttons, but they are powerful amplifiers. If you combine them with clear intent, consistency, and a focus on value, the results can be. As we move closer to the end of this video, I want you to think about where you are right now. Maybe you're just starting. Maybe you've tried affiliate marketing before and felt discouraged. Or maybe you're already earning, but you want to scale without burning out. AI tools are not something to fear, they're something to leverage. The sooner you start experimenting, the faster you learn what works for you. If this video helped you see affiliate marketing in a new way, I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which part of AI-powered affiliate marketing interests you the most, or where you feel stuck right now. Your comments not only help the channel, they also help shape future content here on AI Side Hustle. And if you know someone who's struggling with affiliate marketing or curious about making money online with AI, share this video with them. You never know who might need to hear this today. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.